We've been with WinMan for approximately 7 years, I think now. When we started out with V8, we only put the bare bones of the system in, so we used the accounts and the stock features, and then over time we've become more heavily reliant on it. So we're trying to get to a position where WinMan is basically our ecosystem, so everything we can have on WinMan is on WinMan. Doodlebone is a dog accessory manufacturer, and we have been in the market for 14 years. We manufacture collars, leads, harnesses predominantly, but also supplements and treats. We supply into the independent trade as well as the veterinary trade and the multiple pet specialist trade. VAT returns, the dunning letters, credit control, everything in finance is all done on WinMan. Stock is all done on WinMan. Ordering is now all done on WinMan. Forecasting is done through WinMan. All our CRM is now on WinMan. It's bringing consistency and structure to the processes of the business and what we do, and allowing all members of every team to be on one system so that the visibility across data is structured and streamlined. Because all our data is in WinMan and BI integrates with it, what that allows us to do is to interrogate the data in WinMan. We can then look at the touch points of that data, and BI allows us to build a data set and then report on that. So it gives us flexibility to look at the data in the way that we want. Therefore, it means that we can spend more time creating strategy from the data rather than compiling the data. With regards to support from WinMan, we've always had a very good relationship with them, and they understand your business. So it's a very close working relationship, really. If there are problems, you can work it through together to work out the best processes to move forwards with. So it is quite a collaborative approach in that way. I think CRM allows easier analysis of data and easier understanding of customers and when you're supposed to be doing something. So it allows more efficiency, so it allows the sales guys to spend more time with the customers, which inevitably will allow you to maximise revenue. Because we've got over 1,000 customers, it's managing and efficiently being able to deliver customer service at the right time to the right customer.
Any communication from our customers is logged within WinMan. So if they're calling in, if we're calling out, if they're emailing, if we're chasing payments, every time they have contact with us, it's logged in WinMan. So every member of staff, whoever's dealing with that customer, can see at a glance the history of that customer, and makes my job a lot easier and helps me understand our customers on a much more deeper level. The new WinMan Cloud, we can access it from anywhere. We don't have to be in the office. We do trade shows all over. So for us, if a customer comes onto a stand and they say, oh, you know, what did I spend in the last 6 months? Or they want to know something about their account, we can very quickly access that information.
We decided to refresh our direct-to-customer website. So we went over to Shopify, and everything is linked to WinMan through Shopify. We integrated it and it was all super easy. Previously, everything was bespoke and it took up a lot of time and investment, so now that's become a lot more seamless.
When an order is firmed and shipped, that now goes straight into the warehouse with very little input from us. So we could do batch picking. WinMan has the ability to combine multiple shipments so that we can pick 12 orders in one tote run, which massively increases efficiency. Carrier integration is a very good function within the system. So what we can do is every account can be set their own preference. So if we've got DHL, DPD, Royal Mail, we can set the preference against the customer. When we dispatch the goods, you then get the shipping label, so all the paperwork's done. Our next steps with WinMan are to really continue building on the reporting that we have in the system. It's now about fleshing out and bringing to life those reports so that we can drive even more efficiency through what we do by the use of data. WinMan is at the centre of everything we do. It is our ecosystem. With the cloud system particularly now, and the way that the sites can work and the systems can integrate with each other, it'll allow us to move on to the next stage of the business, which is creating the group of businesses. So it'll allow us to have more than one business running on the system seamlessly.